In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set deal probabilities in HubSpot. Whether you're looking to manage your sales pipeline more efficiently or just optimize your deal stages, understanding how to set and update deal probabilities in HubSpot is crucial. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to get started by logging into your HubSpot account. Now, this might seem like a no-brainer, but ensuring that you're logged in is the first step in setting up your deal probabilities. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your dashboard. There, you'll spot the settings icon, which usually looks like a little gear. Go ahead and give that a click. With the settings menu open, you're going to see a variety of options. For our purposes, focus on the section labeled Data Management. Within this section, you'll find an Objects drop-down menu. Click on that and then select Deals from the list. This selection is the gateway to managing your deal pipelines and all the associated stages. Once you've navigated to the Deals section, you'll have the opportunity to update your deal probabilities. Here's where the customization gets interesting. If you need to create a new deal stage, simply click on the option that says Plus Add a Deal Stage. A new window will prompt you to enter the name of your new stage. Fill in the specifics and proceed. For those of you looking to tweak an existing stage, you have a couple of options. You can directly click on the name of the stage you wish to edit. Alternatively, you can find the desired stage under the section labeled Update Stage Properties. When you spot it, click on Edit Properties to make your adjustments. This allows you to tailor each stage to better reflect your sales process and improve forecasting accuracy. Now, let's turn our attention to configuring your deal stages further. This is where you can really fine-tune your pipeline. Under the Configure section, you'll have the freedom to delete, add, rearrange, and rename the stages as needed. Perhaps you've realized that a certain stage is redundant, or that a particular step needs to be reordered to match your workflow better. This is where you can make those changes. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your sales process with more precision in HubSpot. Adjusting deal probabilities and stages can significantly impact your team's efficiency and the clarity of your sales forecasting. So take advantage of these customizable features and be sure to review your setup periodically to refine and adapt it as your sales processes evolve. Happy selling!